revision notebook.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Once again, good morning to
Ma'am,
everyone.
ma'am,
Good
the
morning,
same
ma'am.
ma'am, the same page or new page?
New page. Okay. I will wait 1 more minute, then I will start the class. Once again, good morning, everyone. As you all know that in the beginning, first we do the revision of the previous topics, the way we have done, how to write the numbers, how to read the numbers, write the face value and the place value. Today we are on the fourth revision. Which number revision we are on? Fourth topic revision. Today's today's topic today's topic is in the write the numbers in the expanded form. You all know how to write the numbers in the expanded form? Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is our today's topic,
Yes,
how to
ma'am.
write the numbers in the expanded form. So now I am going to present my screen and I'll show you. So along with me, you please write it in the notebook with the date, with the revision number 4 on the new page. Every day whenever you do the revision, write it on the new page and in the revision notebook only. Please write today's date 14, write the revision number 4, classwork, chapter number 1, and the topic is write the following numbers in the expanded form. Two numbers are here given. I will call the child name, that child only will answer me. By the time you please write it in your notebooks and I will call you afterwards. First, you also write in your notebooks along with me, which is given here. Then we will check the answers. First sum, I will tell you how to do it. Rest of the sums, you will do it by your own. If you want to expand this, am I audible to you all clearly? Please answer me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Mute
Yes, ma'am.
yourself now. Thank you. Mute yourself now. Yes, this number is 58,792. So when you expand this number on the place values, based on the place values, how you will expand this? 50,000 plus 8,000 plus 700 plus 90 plus 2, because it is 58,000. So 50,000 plus sign will come because we are expanding the number, plus 8,000 plus 700 plus 90. You please observe here, we are expanding the number according to their place values. If you know the place value of 5, you will easily expand it. If you know the place value of 8, place value of 5 is 50,000, so you write 50,000. 8 is 8,000, you write 8,000. 7 is 700. 9 is 9 tens, means 90, and the 2 is alone. Got it, everyone? How to expand the number? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I got.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Now please start expanding. I will write more numbers here. Okay. Now I will call the child name.
And
First time.
forgot comma.
Let me check. Where I forgot to put a comma.
In 8,000.
In 8,000. There is no 8,000. It's lakh. 8,97,653. This is right. Comma is there.
I mean,
Ma'am,
first
no.
one.
In the
Ma'am,
expanded
I mean, the first one.
In expanded form, no need to
answer.
write.
In the answer.
Yeah, in the answer, either you write. Yes. Right. Okay. Now, next answer will be given by. I will call your name. Lakshadola.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer how you expand this number.
Yes,
What is the children? If you know the answers, please write in the chat box. I will check the chat box later on.
ma'am.
Lakshadola, please give me the answer. What is the place value of the one? Place value of 1 is 10,000. So 10,000 will come. 1 multiplied by 10,000 is 10,000. Got it now? What is the place value of 7?
7,000.
Yes. What is the place value of 6?
600.
Yes. What is the place value of 5?
50.
What is the place value of 6? Oh, sorry, 4.
4.
4 only 4 once it is. So only 4 will come. Children, is it clear?
Yes.
Is it
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is right. Yes, ma'am.
Please copy it down. Next answer. Hare.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer of this one.
20,000.
So it is called what?
20,000.
What? Which sign will come now?
Plus
Plus, because we are expanding a number. Plus sign aega compulsorily. Next.
900.
What are you doing here? You have skipped the 0, right? 0 ki place
Yes.
nahi. So we can skip the 0. 900. Next.
Plus 880 plus
That
5.
is 80 plus 5. Good. Next. Arav Hapani. Give me the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer of the. Mute yourself, other students. Hare, mute yourself. Only Arav Hapani's mic should be on. Yes, Arav Hapani. Tell me the answer of this one.
8 lakh.
Wait a minute. How I will write 8 lakh? How many zeros will come in the 8 lakh?
5.
Yes. Eight lakh. What will come after 8 lakh? Yes.
Plus
What will come after 8 lakh? Plus. What will come next?
plus 9,000.
9,000. Check.
140.
90,000.
90,000. Plus 7,000.
Yes. Plus 7,000. Next.
Plus 600.
Plus 600. Yes. Next.
Plus 50.
Plus 50. Next.
Plus 3.
Plus 3. Is it correct, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next is very, very important, which you need to check properly. The last one will be given by. No, let me call the child name. Mute yourself, everyone, please. Sorry, I will not ask the answers from this class. Sorry. Because this class is not listening to me. Someone mic is still on. I don't know what is the reason behind this. Let me take the attendance for a minute and then I will start. Very good. Dignesh is silently giving the answers in the chat box. As I told you, please, if you know the answer, write it in the chat box. After the class, I check the chat box also. Let me present the screen. Sorry. So next will be given by Mohammed Momin. Mohammed Momin, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you please give me the answer of this one?
2 lakh
2 lakh.
six-
Then
600
so which sign I will put here?
a comma. No,
After
plus.
plus. What will come next?
600.
Why the zeros are not coming?
Yes, ma'am. 0 plus 0.
No, but if the zero will come or not will come, is there any difference if I write the zero or I put the zero? Because the place value of zero is always zero. So if we skip the zero also, then also our answer is right. Got it?
670
600.
plus 0
Yes, 600 plus 70
plus 0.
plus 0. If you write 0 or if you skip 0, then also your answer is right. If you write this much also, your answer is right. If you write also plus 0, then also your answer is right. But always remember the place value of 0 is 0. It is understood from here only, that is it is 2,670,000. Got it, Mohammed Momin? Everyone got it? How it is done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please note down in your notebooks faster. And please do practice same type of sums. You can take from Google, search other books and search the topics, and please do more practice. Only doing 5 sums or 10 sums are not sufficient for you all. I request you all, please do practice on the concepts or the topics are given to you in the class, because it is nowhere given in the NCERT that you have to learn expanded form. But on the basis of the topic, we are learning covering the full number system. So better you consult with the new, other refresher books, or consult, search the topics in the Google. You will find many worksheet and do practice. Got it, everyone? Do fast. I'll give you one or 2 minutes more to complete it, and then we start our today's topic.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Please go.
May I drink water?
Please drink.
And may I drink water?
Please, for water and washroom, please don't ask. You are at home. You can go and you can. Otherwise, it's disturbing to the other students also. Everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I stop the presentation now?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. You will get this worksheet in the revision folder with the name of revision 4. Please attach your work there. Don't think that we no need to send the classwork. Please, you need to send the classwork also in the folder which is given to you. Clear?
Yes.
Vihan Vyas, every time please be alert in the class and we give the answers. Okay? Now, I am going to, everyone completed? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes.
children, now we now stop saying yes. Stop now. Mute your mics clearly, properly. Okay. Now, children, as you know that we are doing the chapter number 2 also based on the long and short, which is we are doing the measurement in that meter, centimeter, kilometers. In our first class, we have done how to identify the objects basis on their lengths. By identifying, by looking at the objects, we can say that this is short object, shorter or longer by comparing them. Then in our next class, we have learned how to measure the objects with the help of the instruments using ruler, inch tape, by the standard methods and the non-standard methods. That was our next class, second class. Then in our third class, what we have done, how to convert the units, meter into the centimeters, centimeter into the meters, right? Yes or no? Are you all clear till here in this the measuring method, in the converting
Yes,
method?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So today,
Yes, ma'am.
you know that if you buy a table also, and if you buy a chair also or a book also, you went to the carpenter, right? You buying two things, and he told the length of the table is 15.15 meter and 65 centimeters, and he told the another thing which is chair. Okay, the length of the chair is 7 meters 15 centimeters. So what you do in this case, if you want, please mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Vihan. So if I ask what is the length of these both the objects, so what you do in this case, you will add or subtract. Tell me, you will add or subtract. If I say you have purchased the table also, you have purchased the chair also, and the different lengths are given of the table and chair. And if you want to find the total of both the objects, what you will do in this case? Please turn on your camera and give me the answers. Oh, turn on your mic, sorry. Turn on your mic and give me the answers. And Krishav, Prigyan, Pritika, Ridhir, Hiya, if your camera is okay, please turn on and sit in the class. Viha, Dhwani, I am not teaching your symbols. I'm teaching you. I have seen a Pragyan after so long. He is coming in the class but always sitting with the camera off. So I don't know the face of this child also. So on the how I will give you grading, my dear children. You tell me. If you know, I don't know. I have not seen your face also in a single day. You just coming for the attendance, sitting behind the screen. How I will grade you? Krisha Furia, please sit with your camera on.
Ma'am, now can you see me?
Yes. Who is saying now I can see you?
Swani.
No.
But
So
my
again,
camera is on only.
it's okay now. Please turn. I request to turn on the cameras and sit in the class. Riddhi, turn on your camera and sit in the class.
And my camera is not working.
Okay. Only Riddhi's first is the day. This is the day her camera is off. But most of the students, like, if you keep your camera off, I will not able to see which child is this. Then it will be very difficult for me to give you grades. So it's your choice. Either you want to come with your camera off or you want to come with your camera on. So as we were discussing, I was asking from Jignesh, if you have, you went to the market, you have taken two things. One is table, one is chair, and the carpenter told you the lengths of both the objects. And if you want to find out the total of both the objects, length of both the objects, what you will do? Which operation you will apply here?
I will take
inch tape and measure the length.
No, length is already given to you. He told you that the length of the table is this much and the length of the chair is this much. But if you want to know what is the total length of both the objects, what you will do?
Ma'am, I will do addition of the
Yes, addition of the objects
yes.
which are given in the meter and centimeter. So I'll show you one video based on it. Listen to it very, very carefully. Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to mute myself now. No one will speak in between.
Meters and centimeters. Add 685 meter, 96 centimeters and 93 meter, 9 centimeters. Arrange meters and centimeters in columns.
Children, see the arrangement of the numbers. 685 meters and 96 centimeters. So you should always compulsory should know that there should be two digits in the centimeters also. Why? Because 100 is having two zeros. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. Arth Gujarati, sit properly. 100 is having two zeros because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So in centimeters, there is compulsory to have two digits. So it is having 685 meters and 96 centimeters will go in the centimeters. And 93 meters and 9 centimeters. So 9 when you write, 9 is only a single digit number. So 9 when you write, you will not write 9 under the 9, under 9, you will write 9 under the 6. Why? It's only single digit number, so it comes at the ones place, at the last place. And then the 0 will come, which is blank, nothing is there, so we will write 0. And then we write 3 under the 5 and 9 under the 8. And then nothing is there, will be write 0. If you add this now, I'm going to play the video, see to it properly.
As shown on screen, and add centimeters to centimeters like whole numbers. Regroup centimeters to meters if needed. Then add meters to meters.
See now you need to add the centimeters. Jignesh will tell me, Jignesh, what is there, which number you will add in the centimeter first?
Ma'am, 6 plus 9.
6 plus 9. Moin Kuledi will tell me, Moin Kuledi, what is 6 plus 9? Moin Kuledi, tell me what is 6 plus 9? 15. Wait a minute, let me take the attendance. 15. Right. Then 15. So where the 1 will go, Moin Kuledi?
Up.
1 will go up and the 1 will go up and the 5 will come down. Vihan Vyas will tell me, Vihan, now which number we will add the next?
9 plus 9.
9 plus, where is 9? 6 plus 9 is already added. 9 is having 0 under it. 9 plus 0 is 9 and plus 1, which is the carryover, is what?
10.
10. So do we write the 10 here completely? Who will tell me yes or no? Why?
No,
Moksha,
ma'am.
why we will not write 10 here?
No, not completely.
Moksh Patel, why we are not writing 10 here? Why we writing 0 here and the 1 is carry forward?
Because 9 plus 1 is 10.
But that is 10. So why I am not writing 10 here completely? Why I am carry forwarding the 1? Tell me. See, now I will tell you, mute your mic. See children, why I am not writing 10 here? Why I am carry forwarding the 1? Yes, Hare, will you explain why we are carry forwarding the 1?
Because it will bigger number 10.
Because in centimeter you should have only two numbers. You should have only two digits. which is already there, 0 and 5. And if you write 1 here, then it will be 105, means 3 digits will be there. And we don't want 3 digits in the centimeters. So that is why we carry forwarding 1 here. Got it? So it will be 5. Now 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1, 9. Now add the meters, right? Meter column you will add. And 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. 7 will come here. 1 will carry forward on the 6. And 6 plus 1 will be
meters. So
7. Got it? So the sum means the total of 685 meter plus 96 centimeter and 93 meter, 9 centimeter is equal to 779 meters and 5 centimeter. You can call it as 5 centimeters because 0 is having no value. Am I clear till here how to add the numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And when it a single digit number, where you will write the 0 to copy it down, the 0 will come before the number. Clear? Can you see here the 0 is coming before 9?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself.
$29 meter, 5 centimeters. Addition, meters and centimeters.
Now I will present the screen and I'll show you the worksheet. We will check the answers verbally and I will send you that same worksheet in the classroom today. Then you will do it afterwards in the notebook or in the worksheet. I'm going to present it. Don't do right now. Just try to understand the concept which I'm explaining you. Can you all see this worksheet?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Arrange in columns and add the lengths in the meter and centimeter. It is 12 meter, 60 centimeter, 6 meter, 80 centimeter. So first you write 12, then you write 60. Then the next is 60 meter and 80 centimeter. So 6 will go in the meters and 80 will go in the centimeters. Nothing is there before the 6, so we write 0 here. Now we add them. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 8 is what? 6 plus, no, don't write. I will send this worksheet in the classroom. First understand the way we are doing. 6
Then
plus 8 is
14.
what? 14.
14.
4 will come, 1 will carry forward. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1, 9 and 1 is this. Till here it's clear the first sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Go to the next one. 60 meter, 35 centimeters. And 120 meters, 65 centimeter. Now you are worried why ma'am has written 120 first. But if you can, in addition, there is no difference. If you write 60 before also, no problem. But it will be easy for you to add them properly if you write the bigger number first. 120 is having 3 digits in the meters. So you write 120 meter. And along with 120 meter is 65 centimeters. So same 65 will go in the centimeters. Next is 60 meters, 35 centimeters. So with the 60 meters, 35 centimeter will go in the centimeters. When you add them, 5 plus 5 is 0. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 here and the 1 carry forward. 0 plus 0 is 0 and 1 will come. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 1 will come. This 181 meters only because nothing is there in the centimeters. Next one is please mute yourself. Someone mic is on. 190 meter, 40 centimeter and 60 meter, 40 centimeter. Same way you copy down the sum. 190 meters under the meters. Always remember you need to make 2 columns. One is for meter and another is for centimeters. Write the meters value under the meters and centimeters under the centimeters. Always remember जिसका मीटर है उसी के सामने उसका सेंटीमीटर जाएगा. Don't mix कि ये बड़ा छोटा हम देख लें. No. अगर 12 मीटर के साथ 60 सेंटीमीटर है तो उसके साथ 60 सेंटीमीटर ही उसके अपोजिट में जाएगा. If 6 meters के साथ 80 सेंटीमीटर उसका अपोजिट है तो 80 will go only in the centimeters. आपको अपनी मर्जी से डिजिट्स को ऊपर नीचे अरेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जितना मीटर्स के साथ सेंटीमीटर्स है, that only go along with it. But I have noticed many of the students in my earlier classes also make the difference. They think that this is bigger, they arrange in that way. No, that will be wrong. Am I clear to you all? You take जो उसका फ्रेंड है, जिस मीटर के साथ उसका सेंटीमीटर जो फ्रेंड है, वही उसके साथ उसके सामने जाएगा. No another friend will be added. Am I clear with you? I think that meters and centimeters both are friends. मीटर का जो फ्रेंड है सेंटीमीटर में, वही उसके साथ सेंटीमीटर में जाएगा. And then next sum. But always keep a note, if there is only one digit in the centimeters, then write 0. If there is nothing in the centimeter, suppose एक sum में, for example, I'll show you the worksheet. Maybe I have some here. Yes, this one. Fourth one, when you see, only 12 meter is there, nothing in the centimeter. So we write 2 zeros because there is compulsory to have 2 values, but there is no values in the centimeter. So we write 2 zeros. And then next is 7 meter and 2 centimeter. So 2 will come under the last digit, and then first we write the 0. When you add this, have you understood? अगर किसी के साथ centimeter नहीं हुई है, then you write the 2 zeros. Then it will be easy for you to add the sum. Add or subtract, whichever the operation you will do. But right now we are learning how to add them. So it is compulsory for you to understand how, if there is nothing is there in the centimeter, please write the zeros and add them. Clear?
Yes.
You can see the sums: 19 meter, 26 centimeter, 10 meter, 48 centimeter, and arrange them. So the answer here will be 29 meter, 74 centimeter. I have not written the final answer. Once you are done with the addition, at last, when I was showing you the video there, you have seen, no, the last they have given the answer separately, how many meters and how many centimeters. So here you also write the final answer, that is 29 meter, 74 centimeter. In every question you write the final answer after get addition. 39 meter, 9 centimeter, because nothing is here, only single digit is here. So write 0 first and then 9. It is compulsory to understand this concept. If you write 9 and then you write the 0, it will become 90, not the 9. That is why I am telling you to write the 0 first and then write the number. In same situation you will get in meters also. In meters also, when you start writing the digits, start from the back. In centimeter also, when you start writing the digits, start writing from the last place. Same here, when you come down, 4 meter, 46 centimeter, 5 meter, 54 centimeter. So 5 meter, 54 centimeter write first, and then write 4 meters, 46 centimeter. It will be easy to add them. Same 37 meter, 63 centimeter, 28 meter, 14 centimeter, add them. So this way you will get 7 to 8 questions in today's worksheet. Either if you want to do in the worksheet, do in the worksheet. If you want to do in the notebook, do neatly in the notebook, properly, right? So are you all clear how to add the meter and centimeter measurements? Clear? The concept is clear. How many digits compulsory to be in the centimeter? 2. Where 2 digits should be compulsory in the centimeters. Why it is compulsory? Because 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, and 100 is having 2 zeros. So in centimeter, 2 digits are compulsory to write. If there are no 2 digits, only 1 is there. So write the last digit and then write the 0. 0 always comes to your right, to your left hand side. First write the digit, and to the left side of the number you write the 0. Clear? This is clear to you? I don't want you children to do the mistake on this, right? And if a number is having only meters, nothing in the centimeter, write 2 zeros. Clear? Everyone clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I will send the video also to you. I will send the worksheet also to you. Either you want to do in the Google, turn it into the Google Docs and do it, or do it in the notebook. Do it neatly, but wherever you are doing it, do it neatly. Thank you, children, for your today's class.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye bye.